My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, all of you? Hope you are well at home. My dear, today we are going to start very important topics of Bangladesh and global studies. Before that, again, let me introduce with you. My dear, this is Amin Rahman, senior teacher of Milestone College, Sector 4 branch. My dear, you know, every vehicle, every human being, or everything has some organs. In vehicles, engine is the most important organ. In the human body, all organs are important, but brain played very vital role to take the decision. My dear, state also has some elements, organs. Among the state, you know which element are going to discuss today. Can you guess? Okay, my dear, you think which element take the decision? That means who has taken the decision? You think it is? Okay, I will make you easy, my dear. As us, as a human body, as a man, who has taken the decision? Undoubtedly, it's brain or head. The same way, which organ of the government, which organ of the state has taken the decision? Yes, it's government. My dear, now we will discuss about the organs of the Bangladesh government and the administrative system. So, okay, my dear, let's start the class. Okay, my dear student, now let's start our today's class. Welcome to all of you to our today's class. Three important organs of the state we will learn today. By these three important organs, the government are doing smoothly its all other activities. My dear, in every state, the system of the government is like a machine. Without this machine or without the engine, a government can't run. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about the important organs, especially the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The power of the executive, the power and function of the president. My dear, so okay, the organ of Bangladesh government and its administrative system. First of all, the organs of Bangladesh government, you know, I told you the three important organs: executive, legislature, and judiciary. These three we will learn first. It's executive. My dear, you can see a picture. This is the Secretariat of Bangladesh. It is situated in the Segun Bagicha. It is a place where all administrative part of Bangladesh are controlled or maintained. It is emergency or it is mandatory for maintaining smooth administrative system. It is must to maintain the discipline and the discipline work in administrative system, and also the development of a country is depend on it. This administrative department is called an executive. That means those who are working to execute the decision of the government, they are called the executive. It's started from the village guard to the president. All the government employees, those who are working to execute the decision of a government, they are called part of executive. My dear, is it clear all of you? What is the executive? Okay. Go for the next one. Next one is legislature. What can you see in the picture? It is the parliament house of our country. It's situated in Nagargaon. My dear, that means legislator what is? In every country, every state has a different name of their legislature. Suppose that many other Muslim countries legislator's name is Majlis. Name of the legislator of USA, Congress. Name of the legislator of UK, Parliament. Some countries has two house, some countries has one house parliament. That means there is a two types of legislature, unicameral legislature and bicameral legislature. Unicameral, that means only one house parliament. Bicameral, that means where two house parliamentary system is existing. There where bicameral, there is upper house and lower house parliament. My dear, look next to this is the another picture, Supreme Court of Bangladesh. To establish the justice is one of the solemn tasks of the state. The department of the government that tries judicially is called judiciary. The judicial department to punish the inferiors of law, establish the justice and protect the individual freedom of the every citizen depends on the independent or the unpoliticized the judicial system to the great extent. The judicial department consists of all the courts, judiciaries of the state. My dear, next one, the power of the executive. Status of the president. The power and function of the president. My dear, president is the head of the state by name. According to the constitution, he is the above all the state. He is the head of the state. President rectifies the law enacted by the parliament. My dear, now power function of the president in the parliamentary system of the government, president is the titular head only. Titular head, that means only head by name. All other functions are handled by the parliamentary systems, prime ministers or others. My dear, now let's see the power function of the president. First of all, the power and the function relating to appointing the prime ministers and administration. The president shall appoint the leader of the party who got majority in the election as a prime minister. The Prime Minister forms the government with the ministers and chosen by him or her. The President may not act with the advise anyone about this issue. President also appoint the all other ministers, chief election commissioners, attorney generals, chairman of the public service commission, all other members of the public service commission, etc. My dear, next one, the parliamentary and the legislative power. President summons the parliament. He addressed the parliament in the first session. My dear, he sent the messages to the parliament. He may adjourn and dissolve the parliament on the prime minister's advice. Third one is the ordinance making power. My dear, at any time when the parliament is dissolved or is not in session, if the president thinks that in this circumstance ordinance is required, it's emergency, he may declare the ordinance. My dear, the next one is the appointment of the Chief Justice and judicial power. The President appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and all other justices of Supreme Court, and in this issue, President is not bound to talk with others. My dear, is it clear, all of you? Okay. Go for the next one. Next one is the prerogative of mercy power. My dear, the President shall have the power to pardon, to less the punishment, to remit or to suspend or to commute the sentence passed by the court, tribunal or other authority. President of Bangladesh exercised this power with the consultation of the Prime Minister. My dear, the next one is the financial power and the function. No money bill or any other bill which is envelopes the expenditure from the public money, that one won't be final or won't be sanctioned without the sign of the President. Next one is, my dear, power, the powers relating to the defense service. It's very important, listen carefully. The President is the supreme commander of the defense service of Bangladesh. I am telling you again, my dear, it's very important. The President is the supreme commander of the defense service of Bangladesh. He may take any defensive measure against any external aggression or internal disturbance. Then the next one, my dear, that is all about the task, function of the President. Another one is the promulgation and emergency power of the President. If the President is understood that the grave emergency as exists, which is the security or the economic life of Bangladesh, or the part therefore threatened by war or external aggression or internal disturbance, he may issue a promulgation of emergency. At that time, he may promulgate an emergency if he thinks it is required. My dear, that's all about the function of the President, power and function of the President. And now let's do some homework. You will do it at home. It will come to your exam as for MCQ or as a knowledge based question. So be careful to learn it. What is the name, my dear? Number one, what is must for the internal peace and the development of a country? Two, what is the name of the legislator of Bangladesh? What is the name of the legislator of many Muslim countries? Number four, my dear, what is called the bicameral parliament? Who is the titular head of Bangladesh? Who is appointed as the Attorney General of Bangladesh? Who is appointed as the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Who is the Supreme Commander of the Defense Service of Bangladesh? Who is appointed as the promulgation of emergency? What is called promulgation of emergency? Who is the head of the state? My dear, you will do it at home. Thank you very much. Stay fine. Stay at home.